This video shows you how to mount a 5K to 15K hydraulic Tiger crane, although yours may vary slightly from what's shown. Please follow the installation instructions in the manual and observe all safety requirements. Remove and discard the 4 bolts on the transport skid. Then hoist the crane using the noted lifting point. Please note that the boom of the crane should be pointing to the rear of the vehicle. Be sure your vehicle complies with the minimum chassis requirements noted in your manual. Refer to the manual for instructions on prepping the mounting surface. The mounting hole pattern provides the required clearance hole size, bolt hole size, and hole locations. Your Tiger crane is supplied with a paper template to assist with marking or confirming these holes. Always confirm the paper template number matches the template number referenced in your manual, and that the template is scaled correctly. Prep the mounting location using the paper template, double-check measurements, and drill the necessary mounting holes and center clearance hole. Once you've unpacked the included mounting hardware and gathered required tools, you may begin by assembling and mounting the tether harness. The tether cord socket should be mounted in a location that's easily accessible. The location can vary based on the application. Next, you can install the fittings on the hydraulic hoses. Take note that the blue is the pressure line. It's easier to connect and tighten the hydraulic hoses before lowering the crane onto its mount. Guide pins are useful in aligning the bolt holes. A short one up front and longer one to the rear are suggested. We advise applying sealant underneath the rotation drive and around the mounting ring before moving the crane into position. Now you may position and lower the crane into place. The thread engagement should be around 1.5 inches and must be greater than an inch. Confirm the thread engagement prior to torquing the bolts. Failure to meet the minimum thread engagement or using bolts that do not meet the listed requirements in the manual may result in stripping of the base or bolt threads during installation. The bolts are torqued to yield at 918 foot-pounds, providing the maximum strength of the bolted connection. The bolts cannot be reused and must be replaced if removed. Apply sealant around the entire base to ensure a watertight compartment. Connect the hydraulic hoses as noted. The return line must be connected to the tank return line. The pressure hose from the crane, which is marked with blue, must be connected to the pressure hose from the pump. The pressure and return lines may be split in order to also power the outriggers as shown. Be sure to connect the electrical too. Rely on your vehicle's manual for wiring directions. Use zip ties to secure wiring out of the way. To ensure proper installation, you should now slowly operate the crane through all its functions before placing the boom in the saddle. We want your Tiger crane to perform its very best, as it was designed and built from the factory. Please refer to the manual for safety and operating instructions. We're here to support your Tiger crane. Contact us at tigercranes.com or call 1-800-225-8789 for warranty support, service, and parts.